He's riding a big swing at the playground, right, Nico? Tell Grandpa about that big swing at the playground.
This goes.
Where?
The playground yesterday, remember?
Where was it?
At the playground.
This goes over here.
See, Daddy's not too good with puzzles.
What do you mean I'm not too good? I'm doing fine.
Is Daddy good with puzzles?
Daddy, when I get all these two pieces on, I can help you. That's a puzzle.
I'm doing fine.
I need help you.
He's just a little bit slow though. Maybe you better go help him. Maybe he's just a little bit slow. I'll eat my peanut butter and jelly while you go. What? You got room for everything? Let me make room for you here. There. Daddy,
I want to get up here, Daddy.
make room for me here.
Daddy, I want to get